I hear the frogs. Remember last night I said it was about 4 in the morning. I said I heard a crash, and the crash was not this side. I think it's further down that side. And the roof, the car park, the ground, the car park, that zinc roof. Yeah, one side had fallen. I just woke up and then I saw the message in the U Garden, the group. It told the car owners to move their cars. Spider cat. Hi. Why? Why? Tell me. Oh, I forgot. Last night. No lah, not last night. Early in the morning. Must wash. I had to mop the sitting room as well. Last night I walked out here, then I walked in, right? My slippers. You see, the frogs, they're calling for more. They are calling for more rain. Shall we go and buy the newspaper? Wait. Just wanted to show you. Oh, nice and cool. Okay, I woke up at 10:10 and the alarm rang. I got Louise at 11. I want to buy the newspaper. See where it's flooded. And stuff first, huh? Boil water and feed her. I haven't fed her yet.